Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna make tahu kecrot. This is Indonesian's fried tofu with sweet, spicy, and sour sauce. So for ingredients, let's check down below. So for ingredients, I have 140 grams of fried tofu ball, 75 grams of bird's eye chili, 50 grams of palm sugar, 2 cloves of garlic, 6 shallots, 1 big green chili, salt, sweet soy sauce, tamarind water, about 100 to 150 ml, and then 1 cup or 250 ml of water. So now let's get to cooking. On a saucepan, I'm gonna add 250 ml of water, palm sugar. I'm just gonna break it down. Now I'm gonna turn on my heat to medium low, and then I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons sweet soy sauce, mix it. Just wait until it's boiled. You want to keep mixing it also, just to make sure all the palm sugar is dissolved. Now when you see start bubbling like this, you want to add your tamarind water. I'm going to strain it. And use your hand, just pinch it, because all the juice over here is still good. Just extract all the juice from here. Keep mixing. Give a little taste. Now you can add salt depending on your taste. On my taste, I give about 1 teaspoon. Mix it again. We're gonna wait until it's bubbling. When it starts bubbling, you wanna simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. So just lower your heat and let it simmer. Now, while we're waiting our sauce simmering, we're gonna make the chili sauce. So I have Moran pastel over here. So just crush all of the ingredients, but you don't wanna crush them finely. You just wanna crush them coarsely. So let's do it. So chili. So when you're done with the chili, just gonna put it on the side. Now the shallots and garlic. Just slice it coarsely also. Okay, so the garlic and shallot is done. I'll put it in the same bowl with the chili. And now the green chili. Put in the same bowl. Now from here on, we're just gonna mix this. So chili sauce is done. Now we're moving to tofu. So after 15 minutes simmering, so before actually we move on to tofu, I'm gonna turn off the heat and I'm gonna cool this down, or you just put it on the side. So for tofu, since I have air fryer, so I'm gonna use air fryer, but if you guys don't have air fryer, you can just use regular oil and you can refry at medium high heat for 5 to 7 minutes or until it's crispy. So it depends. If you like very crispy, you can leave it longer. If you don't like too crispy, give it a lot less. So now for air fryers, you want to put 370 Fahrenheit, and then the timing is 5 minutes. And we will be back after 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, tofu became really crispy. Now I'm just gonna put it on the plate. There you go. As you can see, it's really crispy. It's nice. Now everything is ready. So we have our tofu, our sweet sour sauce, and chili sauce. Now I'm gonna mix the chili sauce on the sweet and sour sauce. Mix it. I'm gonna give it a little taste. It's very nice. So for serving, just cut the tofu, pour the sauce on top. Now, tahu kecrot is ready. Let's get back up top and we're gonna give it a try. We're back up top. Now it's time to give it a try. I'm gonna mix this first. Garlic with the chili. This is very good. It's sweet, spicy, sour. It's very nice. You can use this as a snack. Very fulfilling snack. And you know, the double fry for the tofu. It's very nice because the outside layer of the tofu is still crispy, but the inside is still very soft and it absorbs all the sauce. It's very good. So this is our conclusion. This is very good. Give it a try. It's really worth it. Alright guys, so that's it for our today's video. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.